What is machine learning? Do you know exactly what it's called? In this video we will be discussing the basic of machine learning and how it works exactly. Let's start the topic introduction to machine learning. Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence that enables machine to learn from data and improve over time. It involves the development of algorithms and statistical models that can enable machines to identify patterns in data, make predictions, and perform tasks without being explicitly programmed. The goal of machine learning is to create intelligent systems that can learn and adapt to new data without human intervention. What are the types of machine learning? So, there are three types of machine learning, and those are supervised learning, unsupervised machine learning, and the another one is reinforcement learning. Here, supervised learning. In this type of learning, the machine is trained using labeled data, which means the input data is paired with the correct output. The machine uses this labeled data to learn patterns and make predictions on new unseen data. Unsupervised learning. In this type of learning, the machine is trained on unlabeled data. The goal is for the machine to identify patterns and relationships in the data without any pre-existing knowledge of what the correct output should be. Reinforcement learning. In this type of learning, the machine learns by trial and error, again and again after the trial and error. So it receives feedback in the form of rewards or punishments for its actions, and it adjusts its behavior accordingly. How machine learning works? How does it work? Okay, know it how it works. The process of machine learning can be broken down into four main types, and those are data collection, data preparation, model training, model evaluation. These four are the data collection. The first step in any machine learning project is to collect and gather data. Data preparation. Once the data has been collected, it needs to be cleaned, transformed, and prepared for use in the machine learning model. Model training. The next step is to train the model using the prepared data. The model is fed the input data along with the correct output, and it learns to make predictions based on the patterns it identifies in the data. Model evaluation. Once the model has been trained, it needs to be evaluated to ensure it is accurate and effective. Applications of machine learning. What are the types of applications? Machine learning has a wide range of applications, including image and speech recognition, natural language processing, fraud detection, predictive maintenance, recommendation systems. And so let's conclude it. Machine learning is a powerful technology that transforming industries and enabling machines to learn and adapt like humans. Whether you are a data scientist, software developer, or a business professional, understanding the basics of machine learning is essential for staying competitive in today's world. Thank you for watching.